Good morning. This is Dr. Michelle Deering of Curative Connections, here for another Mothering Motivation Monday. You know, we as moms, we are always looking to help our daughters, make that transition to college. And there's this one element, there are three elements that will actually help your daughter make a successful transition to college. And it's not what you probably think. Because I was thinking back to when I used to be a housemaster of a freshman dormitory for 272 college students who were freshly new off the car into the dormitories. And there was this thing that always kept coming up in terms of roommate conflicts. And that was back in the 90s. Fast forward, here we are in 2019, my having read a whole bunch of college development journals, studied human development, and here I am sitting at a college orientation listening to administrators implore parents to actually have their sons and daughters do this one particular thing. Actually, there were three things, but I'm going to mention one today. And that thing is pick up. Really, parents, moms in particular, help your daughters to pick up after themselves. Because cleanliness, or the lack thereof, is the one thing that roommates will actually have conflict over. So, as my mom used to say, prevention is better than cure, which was her way of saying Benjamin Franklin's an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Really, what you need to do is use positive reinforcement to encourage your daughter to pick up after herself and clean up after herself. That'll go a long way as she transitions to college. So especially now, if you're a mom of a little one, make it fun. Make it something that can be a game, that can be praised when she does it, but get her to pick up after herself. This is Dr. Michelle Deering of Curative Connections for our Mothering Motivation Monday. I'll see you next week where I'm going to talk about item number 2, and then the week after that, item number 3, about those top 3 things that you can help your daughter do to prevent conflict in roommate situations and make a better transition to college. I'll see you next week.